Hey, what's going on, Mr. Dave here. I'm in the rock pile, which is also a swimming pool. A lot of times the rock piles are associated with the swimming pools. Most of the time, actually. But I wanted just to give you a little overview of the guys that are doing the flagstone on this beach entry. In case you haven't noticed how that's done or know how that's done, let's walk and talk a little bit about the flagstone that goes onto pools. A lot of times they put them on the coping. Coping's again to the perimeter of the pool. That's the coping. Tile goes on the face. Coping goes on the top. It can be concrete poured in place. It can be flagstone like we see here on these floor portions, underwater portions of the pool. And I'm not sure if they're going to do flagstone on the coping here or if they're going to pour concrete in place. Cantilever poured in place copings are really cool if you do them right. They would look really smooth and nice. So they did the first part of this with the shotcrete and established this big beach entry. I believe they're going to have 3 fountains in it as well that'll have lighting in them. That's kind of what the conduit and the PVC pipe is there for. So you take your time and you fit all the puzzle pieces together. Below my feet you can see they've already done that. These are already mortared in. They have been placed, they've been installed, and so they are ready for the mortar joint. They're going to be doing waterproofing around the edges plus the mortar joints as well with a sealer designed for that. But you had to get the elevations correct, and a lot of times when it's the rough, crazy shotcrete day, they don't always get things right. The elevations are kind of funky, so he's had to mix up quite a few bags of concrete to get this elevation just right. So you've got boards, you've got big long levels they use to get things right, run laser levels. You can use string lines, and you want to check that the whole time. And so they did this part first, the shotcrete, and then you lay all your pieces in there. You cut them to fit. You just puzzle piece them together one at a time. If they don't fit quite right, you can saw cut the edges. You can see they've done that here where they cut it with a diamond. So and that piece probably drops right in there. But to do this work, they've got to take all the stuff out to then move it in piece by piece. So they mark it all, keep it all on the grid. You can see right there they're going to have little tiles that look like turtles, little sea turtles it looks like. So they lay it all out on a big Baja entry like this, and then they bring it in one piece at a time, one section at a time. And you started installing that here, and that establishes where those are going to stick and stay. So they used concrete here, and then they use a mortar mix. They also use that Sika stuff we use to help adherence, and also I think it helps a little bit slow down water penetration. So again, you've got all the puzzle pieces over here. They're extended beyond the edge of the beach entry, so that'll be an easy diamond cut all the way around to just get that flush perfect. And so that's kind of an overview, as you can see, sort of a little bit of shadowing, but again, the shotcrete Baja beach entry rather, and they got some shelves, some steps and some shelves. The whole area over there where we're working, there's our fake rock grotto and stuff. They've already done tile, the flagstone rather, on all the floor area over there as well. So it's really cool. They're gonna have that just laid out everywhere. So very, very cool. And then you go ahead and you get your exact elevations corrected with just concrete, and then you can bring in your stone and mortar them in. So there you go, man. That's the trick of the trade there. So Mr. Dave in the rock pile, remember to be thankful and forgiving. That's the key to a happy life, and a blessed life, and a life that adds more to the world than takes away. So definitely get out there, do something good for someone else, make someone smile or laugh every day if you can. If you want to learn how we do this, you can go to davehenderson.podia.com and www.daverhenderson.com for my blogs and links to other platforms. So anyway, talking about flagstone, how do they put it in a pool and put it on the coping, put it everywhere. So we've did a quick little tutorial walkthrough on that with the flagstone they're doing on this beach entry. So anyways, hope you're having a great day. Please subscribe and send the video around. Just want to share creativity and the amazing things that you can do with just a little knowledge and mortar and rebar and concrete and stuff. So anyways, have a great day. God bless you guys. Until next time, we will see you there. Learn, grow, become. God bless you. Bye.